Can meditation help keep our voices strong as we get older? Let's take a look at what the science says.
So, does our ability to communicate really change as we age? Well, yeah. Let's look at the science behind it.
This isn't just one thing, it's actually a whole bunch of changes that affect how we sound and express ourselves.
Okay, so this decline breaks down into 3 key areas, from the voice itself to how we process language.
Yeah, a lot of people over 65 deal with this. It really impacts how we connect. So, what can we do?
And this is where it gets really interesting. Scientists are now looking at mindfulness and meditation. Let's dive in.
The evidence points to 3 potential ways meditation could protect our ability to communicate. It's pretty fascinating stuff. Okay, first pathway, blood flow. One study found a specific type of meditation boosted blood flow in the brain's language center.
And get this, that increased blood flow was linked to a 10% improvement in verbal fluency. That's a big deal.
Okay, now for the second pathway. This one's all about emotion and how it literally changes the melody of our speech. So one study showed it increased the pitch range of the voice, which makes speech sound way less monotone.
And this was tied directly to a drop in activity in the amygdala, the brain's stress center.
But what if we could go even deeper, like to the cellular level? The research here looks at telomeres. Think of telomerase as a tiny repair crew. It protects the ends of our DNA, slowing down how fast our cells age.
And check this out. A 12-week meditation program actually boosted this enzyme's activity by 17%. Wow.
And it wasn't just that. It also cut down on oxidative stress and even gave verbal memory a nice little boost.
So here's the big picture. We've got different studies pointing to different ways meditation seems to help. It's super compelling.
What this all points to is a way to empower ourselves, right? A tool to help us stay connected for life.
Okay, well, let's take a breath here. It's really important to know that this field is still brand new.
Researchers are the first to say it. We need bigger, more rigorous studies to really lock these findings down.
Still, the early signs are pretty incredible. It makes you wonder, could we train our minds to protect our voices?